What is that?
Today we're installing Borla Axleback exhaust on a Scion FRS. Actually, a Toyota GT86. You ready?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Wait, well, you need to get that one off first.
Okay. That's a good idea. Just stuff it in there.
You get quads then, you know?
Because I feel a lot safer with
A jack stand.
standing under there than freaking stack of bricks. No thanks. Alright, coming down. Let's go.
There you go. See? Safety.
Yeah. This, jack stand.
Safety James.
Stacey James. Jack stands for life. And let's go with snap on. Easy.
That should be like a 10-minute job, James.
Tops. 10 minutes. This is not easy
No.
at all. I have a stomach ache. This is so irritating. Yo, why do exhaust hangers? See, this is why it only has 2 bolts. Because it's hanging by these freaking pins. Imagine.
So wait, you only got one off and this is the other one? So there's one on each side of
2 each side.
I mean, yeah, 2. Oh.
2?
Yeah, two. That's what I meant, yeah. Yeah.
Before I
Let's see it.
leak everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
You know what's funny? It's on the same finger.
That's fine.
Oops.
Dude, my hands are so black.
Okay, well, hold on.
Huh?
Back here. There's nothing here, right? No. No seal. There should be a gasket here, see?
There's none?
This was a gasket before.
It's like peeled off.
That sucks.
Alright. This should be easy.
Hopefully. I'll hold it up from that side. So it doesn't sit on the...
Yeah. You know, those hangers are good. Good job, buddy.
So, this to that.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's what's up.
What do you think?
Dude, I love it. I'm so happy.
Sick.
Awesome.